This course focuses on using WooCommerce plugin for WordPress to create and manage an online store to sell products. It's important that you have a clear understanding of how to configure and use a WordPress site so you can follow along with me through the course. To be able to follow along, you have to start building WordPress site to work with either installed on your website. Before embarking on building an e-commerce site, it's also important you have made the necessary preparations and that you have a clear idea of what is required and what it entails to create a store online to give you the tools you need and help you make the important decisions and think through the many aspects of e-commerce before diving into the technical minutiae.